Welcome to Wordscience. Today, we are going to learn about a very special word, the word he. Let's begin this exciting journey together. So, what is he? He is a simple word. It's called a pronoun. We use he when we talk about a boy or a man. It's that easy. But what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a name. Instead of saying John again and again, we can just say he. This makes speaking so much easier and smoother. When do we use he? We use he for one boy or one man. We use it when we know the person is male. It's a simple way to talk about someone special. Let's look at some examples. He is happy. He likes to play. He is my friend. He can run fast. See how easy it is? Now, let's compare. It means a boy or a man. She means a girl or a woman. And they means more than one person. Each pronoun has its own special meaning. Sometimes, people make mistakes. Don't use he for a girl, that's wrong. Don't use he for more than one person, that's also wrong. And remember to always use he when talking about a boy. Practice makes perfect. Let's practice together. Fill in the blanks. Blank is my brother. Blank likes to read books. Blank can swim well. Did you say he? You're absolutely right. Great job. Here are some fun facts. Is one of the oldest words in English. Millions of people use he every single day. And he helps us speak clearly and beautifully. Isn't that amazing? Let's remember what we learned. It means a boy or a man. He is a pronoun. We use he for one male person. And we don't use he for girls or groups. You did wonderfully today. Thank you so much for learning with Wordscience. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Keep learning, keep growing, and remember, every word has a beautiful story. See you in the next video.